Welcome to U.S. Car Review in a world where innovation meets imagination, where boundaries between art and engineering blur into brilliance. A new symbol of power, luxury, and vision emerges, the Ferrari Futuristic two-floor motorhome. This is not just a vehicle. It is a moving masterpiece, a living space sculpted in motion, a home designed for those who dare to dream beyond speed and live in the embrace of perfection. Imagine standing inside a vast luxury showroom, where soft lights shimmer across the polished marble floor, and there in the center of it all stands something no one has ever seen before. A motorhome so elegant, so advanced, that it feels as though it's been sent from the future itself. The Ferrari motorhome, sleek, aerodynamic, with a body that seems to breathe under light, represents the fusion of racing heritage and luxurious living. The white exterior glows like a star against the reflective floor, its silhouette shaped by the wind, and every contour sculpted for beauty and performance. Each curve tells a story of precision, each reflection whispers elegance. This is not transportation, this is transformation. Born from the DNA of Italian perfection, this two-level motorhome carries the unmistakable Ferrari spirit, from its aerodynamic stance to its razor-sharp LED headlights that cut through the air with fierce grace. Its surfaces are smooth, fluid, and commanding. The panoramic windows stretch endlessly, opening a view to a world within, a sanctuary of comfort, light, and technology. Inside, the design transcends imagination. Step inside, and the warm golden lights wrap you in a luxurious glow. Soft leather seats stitched in Ferrari red invite you to relax, while carbon fiber panels remind you of the power that runs through its veins. The interior isn't just made, it's crafted, like a watch built for eternity. Every surface feels alive with detail, hand-finished textures, brushed metal accents, and minimalist elegance combine to create harmony between speed and serenity. This is a home that moves with the heart of a legend. Upstairs, the second floor opens into a realm of freedom, a private lounge suspended above the world, surrounded by glass that captures every reflection of light. Imagine waking up with the sunrise flooding through the massive panoramic roof, the city below reflected on the glossy floor. This motorhome doesn't just carry you, it elevates you. It turns travel into art and motion into poetry. Outside, in the gleaming Ferrari showroom, the vehicle glows under the spotlight, its presence impossible to ignore. The black chrome rims gleam with power. The aerodynamic side panels seem alive, sculpted by air and time. You can almost feel the hum of the engine, not just a sound but a heartbeat, born from the spirit of racing legends. The front design carries the iconic Ferrari language, an aggressive grille, subtle air vents, and a stance that declares dominance. Yet behind that power lies peace, wrapped in luxury. The motorhome becomes a paradox, a storm and a sanctuary in one. Every element, from the headlamps to the rear diffuser, is inspired by Ferrari's timeless pursuit of perfection. The lighting flows like art, the reflections play across its body as if the car and the showroom were performing a dance of light and desire. The color palette, dominated by deep blacks and glossy whites, represents contrast, the battle between shadow and brilliance, speed and stillness, machine and soul. Inside, you find not just furniture but experiences. A dining space unfolds from hidden panels, the table rises silently with mechanical precision. Hidden storage compartments open with a touch, revealing handcrafted details. Technology is everywhere yet invisible. AI lighting adjusts to your mood, glass walls shift from transparent to opaque, and every movement feels intelligent, responsive, alive. In the living area, the sound system delivers symphonic clarity, filling the cabin with the kind of audio you feel in your chest. Above, ambient lights flow like auroras, responding to voice and gesture, turning your every command into motion. This is not science fiction, it's Ferrari's vision of living in motion. The bedroom suite redefines intimacy, a queen-sized bed carved into the structure, framed by glowing panels that pulse softly like breathing light. Beyond it, the bathroom glistens in marble and chrome, with rainfall showers that cascade like silk. You are no longer inside a motorhome, you are inside a moving penthouse powered by Ferrari's heritage and vision. As the scene shifts, the background transforms, a high-end Ferrari showroom with glass walls, soft red accents, and the reflections of other iconic models around it. But none command attention like this one. The motorhome stands as a symbol of evolution, a moment where Ferrari looks not just toward the racetrack but toward the future of living. Every camera angle captures new emotions. A side view that reveals its dominance, a rear shot showing its sculpted symmetry, an aerial view that exposes the perfection of its proportions. The two floors appear to float, connected by curves that seem to defy gravity. In another view, the focus moves inside. The steering console, inspired by Formula One design, merges seamlessly into the lounge. The dashboard glows softly with holographic displays, projecting real-time performance stats and navigation in fluid motion. Every control is touch-sensitive, responding with precision. The Ferrari logo, glowing faintly in red, beats like a heart at the center of it all. The seats adjust automatically to your body posture, while temperature zones shift subtly to maintain comfort. The cabin becomes more than space, it becomes sensation. And in the background, the Ferrari showroom reflects the dream, a temple of craftsmanship where glass, metal, and light unite to showcase power and perfection. This black-colored motorhome, shimmering under spotlights, speaks of mystery, sophistication, and dominance. It is not merely a concept, it is destiny shaped in metal and motion. Every reflection, every glint of light, carries the legacy of Ferrari, decades of passion, precision, and performance condensed into one breathtaking creation. You can almost hear Enzo Ferrari's words echoing through time. The car is a dream, built to move not only the body but the soul. That dream now lives again, reborn as something larger, grander, limitless. From one angle, it is a sculpture. From another, a spacecraft. From inside, a universe of comfort and control. Each view reveals a different story, each frame another emotion. Whether seen from the polished showroom floor, the reflection in the glass, or the aerial camera gliding above, it remains flawless. The black Ferrari motorhome embodies what the world never expected but always desired: freedom, elegance, and power united. The fusion of motorsport adrenaline and architectural serenity. As the lights dim and the reflections fade, one truth remains: the Ferrari Futuristic Motorhome is more than an idea, it's a revolution on wheels. It challenges what luxury means, redefines what travel feels like, and reimagines what Ferrari stands for. It's not just about arriving, it's about existing in motion, living in the future, surrounded by the soul of speed. In this world of limits, Ferrari has once again done the impossible, turned the dream of motion into an experience of life. The journey begins not on the road, but in the imagination. The future is here. It has wheels, it has soul, and it wears the prancing horse. Please like and subscribe for more videos.